Real estate investing is super hard when you do not have other people around you connecting with you, helping you, and even encouraging you on. Now, you need to be at the Real Estate Wealth Builders Conference. This conference is all about you, helping you to invest in real estate successfully. Most real estate investor conferences, I kid you not, they are hype and sales pitch from the main stage, and they say, now run to the back. It's normally $1 billion, but it's $1,000 today. They want money out of you then. Well, we are not like that. This is a no sales pitch conference. It's all about you as a real estate investor connecting with other investors, like-minded, awesome real estate investors, as well as coaches, as well as mentors, as well as people, experts who are doing the real estate investing right now. And the Real Estate Wealth Builders Conference is going to be in St. Louis, April 10th through the 12th in 2025. You need to be here with us. Every single year we have doubled in size because of how amazing this community is. This is not just an event that you go to. This is a year-long community of people connecting and working together to help each other out. You need to be here. Do not put it off. Get your ticket today so that you can be here with us, party with us. It's a 3-day event of all content helping you to be a successful real estate investor. I will see you in St. Louis.